Hi there, John Bowe here, and I'm at Gray's Classic Cars in Melbourne, and they've got a big range coming up this Thursday. This is a factory tuxedo black SLR. It started its life as a 4.2, it's now a 5 litre, so it's presented as an SLR 5000. It is a genuine SLR though. It's got aftermarket front seats, manual transmission, houndstooth in the back, so the original style seats, hot wire wheels, which is very period. It's a good tidy car, got a couple of paint blemishes which you could easily fix if you so wanted. So it's now a 5 litre engine, a 308. It's got a Speco manifold, alley valve covers, Gilmore drive belt. It's just sort of modified to the degree that people did and people still do. So quite an enthusiast car. They're a good looking car, I reckon. I race a LX A9X in Touring Car Masters. You could do the same with this if you wanted to. You'd have to spend a fair bit of money on it though. And it's online from Thursday, Gray's Classic Car. So have a look.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.